certify the eco-steril process almost everywhere in Europe, North and South America, Russia and Asia. We are now leader in our industry in many countries over all 5 continents. And I think we can attribute this success primarily to the advanced technologies implemented in our systems.
The EcoSteril product line treats medical waste without emitting any pollution. The equipment uses no water, no steam or any other product for the process, and therefore no effluent is rejected by the equipment. The EcoSteril equipment will only reject after the treatment process a shredded fluff which is fully sterilized, recyclable and recoverable. This constitutes a major environmental advance and it also guarantees safe handling for the operators.
Ça fait 10 ans bientôt que je travaille dans les déchets hospitaliers. J'ai travaillé sur plusieurs machines. Je préfère largement les machines AMB. C'est un déchet plus sec qui sort en fait et qui n'est pas toxique du tout. Pour le technicien, c'est plus facile d'utilisation et on est plus propre sur nous, quoi. Parce qu'avant on pataugeait dans l'eau et tout ça et là c'est carrément autre chose.
The EcoSteril process also differs from other alternative technologies by its energy savings.
On fait quand même des économies très importantes au niveau de l'eau, au niveau du gaz, puisqu'on ne l'utilise plus. Avec d'autres machines, on utilisait du gaz, on utilisait énormément d'eau, alors que le fonctionnement des machines AMB n'utilise que l'électricité.
AMB offers EcoSteril in 3 different models. The EcoSteril 250 can process 250 kilos of waste per hour and is intended primarily for service providers. The EcoSteril 125 is designed for on-site usage in large healthcare facilities. Today, AMB presents the EcoSteril 75 for on-site usage in medium-sized hospitals. The EcoSteril 75 occupies about 20 square meters and a height of 3.5 meters. The device allows processing of 75 kilos of medical waste per hour. Its development function is very simple and the process is fully automated. All processing stages are done automatically once the operator has loaded the waste in a continuous flow process. The feed hopper accepts bags, cartons or plastic drums with a capacity up to 60 litres. During the first phase of treatment, the infectious wastes are shredded to achieve a size less than 20 millimeters. The 4-shaft shredder is expected to rotate slowly and is equipped with an intelligent anti-blocking system. If the shredder is blocked by unshreddable wastes, such as titanium prostheses, the engines are scheduled to restart in the opposite direction. Both engines on the EcoSteril 75 develop a total power of 15 kilowatts. The powerful shredder will allow the process of plastic drums, even sharps, blades and needles, such as those contained in those boxes. The sub-hopper shredder receives and mixes the shredded solids or liquids. A window allows the operator to control the filling level of this hopper. A processing screw with a spiral design then delivers the mixed waste to the microwaves, where the second phase of treatment begins. The heat will ensure complete decontamination. In very little time in the microwave chamber, 4 magnetrons of 2000 watts heat up the waste to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. It is then held at that temperature for about 1 hour, which is the time required to go through this long tube heated by electric resistors.
Il n'y a que nos machines en fait qui utilisent ce type de procédé que nous avons d'ailleurs breveté. Il est très efficace parce que le micro-ondes va permettre un chauffage à cœur du déchet et de manière homogène et ça va permettre d'atteindre un taux de décontamination de 100%. Dans le jargon, on parle de 6 voire 7 logs.
After the process, the waste is rendered as solid waste. It is very dry and it has no other product inside. It is totally safe for handling. It can be mixed with household waste or recycled for other uses.
Creo que a través del desarrollo de estas tecnologías altamente especializadas, podremos decir que hemos alcanzado la excelencia ambiental. Nuestro sistema es 100% efectivo y 100% respetuoso de nuestro medio ambiente. Y además, por nombrar unas pocas organizaciones, La tecnología ecostéril hoy está certificada por las autoridades públicas de salud y medio ambiente en los países europeos.